Hey there everyone, how are you all doing? It's been a hot minute since I have seen you, and literally a hot minute. I mean, how hot has it been lately? But yeah, it's been so long since I actually sat down and recorded. I've just been a bit hectically busy and not very well at the same time. So I'm sorry about that, but I am back with a brand new, completely new to market beauty box that I'm not even sure if anyone else but me has got their hands on yet. I mean, I'd like to think I was the only one. I'm probably not, but hey, between you and me, we are the only one. We're the only ones that matter. So, shall we see what it is? It's this from Sophie Beauty. It's a brand new, exciting beauty box that I have been sent. Not for free, I've got to pay for it. But, you know, at a discount, so yay for me. So if you would like to find out along with me what is inside this beauty box, and if having a new high-end beauty box is the way forward for me, then you know what you need to do. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, don't forget to ring the notification bell, and when you're done, share the heck out this video. Alright, let's get into it. But anyway, I've been speaking to this lady about the Sophie Beauty box for a while, and now it's ready and it's here. And this is a £25 box. You know me, I normally don't go that high, but it's a new box and I thought, let's give it a try. And they also do a £35 deluxe box, although on the page, on like the web page, if you go through Instagram, I'll just pop the thing on the screen. At the bottom of the page, there's options to buy, and it says there's the £30 box and a £25 box, but higher up in the text it says it's £30. I don't know. Anyway, so I have a £25 box and I thought, well, I'll see what's inside and then maybe try the other one as well. I don't know, should we just get opening? It's very nice. I really like the ribbon. Ribbon is off, and it's one of these, what do you call them? Magnetic shutting boxes. Goodness, what is wrong with me? And this is what it looks like. Okay. Ooh. And there's a little card here as well. What does it say? Sophie Beauty, beauty in a box, email. So the idea is that in the £25 box you will get 5 items. I think it's 5. It's 5 in the other one anyway. And it will be a mix of higher end and high street. And in the £35 box it will all be higher end. I didn't put any lipstick on just in case I got lipstick. Honestly, I've got no idea what's in here, but I just thought, there's probably lipstick, right? That's quite usual in a box. Anyway, okay, there's no writing, it just tells me everything that's inside, so let's not look at that too closely. So we've got the classic paper with a sticker. Look away, look away. One of the reasons why I've been busy and away is because we are actually moving to a new property and got to like order carpet and work out where everything's going to go, and we need to get a different cooker and all kinds of things. So it's just been a bit hectic. But one thing I am not going to miss is having trains go by my house and traffic outside the road whenever it is I'm trying to record for you guys. So yay for small things, although it'll be a big thing really, because the road where I will be doing my filming is going to be quiet AF. Anyway, right, let's get into here. This is... saved it. That's what's inside. Okay. Let's have a look. What is this? Oh, Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation. Exclusive Cocoa Complex. Antioxidant rich matte rose petal finish. Exclusive... I've got no idea what this is. What is it? Medium to full coverage. Indulge in our cocoa powder foundation that glides on seamlessly, blending into skin for a weightless matte rose petal finish. What is a rose petal finish? Will I look pink? Infused with our exclusive cocoa complex, this antioxidant rich, oil absorbing, yes thank you, non-drying powder defends against free radicals while minimising the appearance of fine lines and pores. More than a powder foundation, it hides imperfections while improving the appearance and feel of skin for a total complexion perfection. Its decadent chocolate scent smells as good as it feels. Okay, it's in the colour medium. It says on the top, if you can see that. Now, you know, foundation products are always a bit dodgy because how does anyone know if it's going to suit you or me or whoever? as exciting that it is that it's a Too Faced product, I guess the proof will be in the pudding. So I'm going to have to put this on my face. But yeah, I'm a little bit shocked. I don't know what I was expecting. So, I mean, I'm excited, but well, let's just open the box. Shall we open the box? Don't be worried about something when you don't know. Look at this shiny packaging. Looks like, I don't know if you can see it in the light. It's really, oh, there we go. So it's quite pale yellow. It's very nice because it comes with a little sponge under there, mirror on the top. It smells like chocolate. Okay, I'm just going to give it a swipe. Obviously, I'm in my summer skin at the moment, so I think this is going to be way too pale for me, to be honest. I mean, let's just put it on my face. I guess if you rub it in, it goes away. This is the kind of colour I would have picked for my mum, not for myself. That is it on the back of my hand. See what I mean? It's not really... If I rub it out. The more I blend it out, but it still looks like a pale shadow on my hand. Yeah, I don't know how to feel about that, to be honest. It's not what I would have gone for, personally. Like, I don't want to be harsh because this is a brand new thing and it is a Too Faced item, that's great. But it doesn't, I haven't actually said to the company, oh hey, this is my sort of skin type, or this is the kind of shades that I go for in any products. So, it's not as if I've given them any guidance or anything. You know, like some of the brands, they say, yeah, tell us what hair colour you are and tell us what skin type you are and all that kind of thing. I haven't done any of that. So it's kind of a bit like, well, do they know? Do they look at a picture of me and think, oh, that'll do? Or did they just think, okay, medium will probably hopefully do everyone? I don't know. Let's just move on to the next thing. So we all know and love Real Techniques, or at least most of us love Real Techniques. Well, I love Real Techniques. I have a lot of their brushes. Instapop Cheek Brush. I've got a blush brush from them, but I haven't got this one, so this is new for my collection. For one sweep application of bold cheek colour. So yeah, can't go too wrong with a blush brush, can you? And they say with extreme taper for a concentrated application, the Instapop Cheek Brush is ideal for loose pigment, blush or highlighters. Sweep on bold blush colour or highlight your assets with strobing. A must-have cheek brush. Thank you very much. Ooh, Vichy Laboratories Normoderm Nui Detox. Detox Purifying Care. This looks fancy. Never heard of this before, so I don't know what it is or what it does. What's it say? This moisturiser reduces the appearance of sebum as you sleep and helps to control the appearance of excess sebum while immediately purifying the skin. And it's worth £15. Let's open it up. Anything that does that for me will make me happy. So it's just like a light cream. I know it's a night cream, but you know, maybe it'll work on me right now. It smells kind of like nice, but also a bit like Pritt Stick. No, how does that make any sense? Goes in nicely. Do I look any less shiny? I know, it puts on half my forehead. I suppose it probably controls oils like over time, not just instantly. Any less shiny? Not really. Okay, night cream. Well, I like a night cream. Let's just see if I can find out any more information on this. Okay, so this is currently on sale on Vichy's website for £15, so that's great, perfect pricing and everything so far. And it's got quite a good, it's got quite a few good reviews saying that it does work and people really like it. It is full size and I am looking forward to trying it out. Normally it might come in a box or it might come like this. So yeah, sounds like a good product, and that definitely is good for my skin type. And it also says that it's going to reduce redness, or it has for some people. So I am looking forward to that, and I'm happy to always have a good night cream because my Elemis one is nearly run out already. I can't believe it. I'm loving it. That's the Elemis Peptide 4 one. Oh, so good, so good. Right, what is next? Told you there'd be a lipstick. There's always a lipstick. Colour Riche Matte 634. I don't know what, is that Max Factor Colour Riche? I don't know. I don't know my brands. I'm sorry. I'm a rubbish human. L'Oreal. Add a pop of rich colour to your lips with L'Oreal Paris Colour Riche Matte Lipstick, a highly pigmented lipstick with moisturising matte finish. $6.99. Okay, look at that for fancy like thing. It says L'Oreal on the side. If I wasn't so stupid. Security label is blocking me. Oh, but at least we know it's brand new. Not that I have any doubt that any of this stuff is brand new. You know what I mean. Do you know what? For some reason I thought with that little bit on the side it was going to hinge open, but it doesn't. Wow, that's brown. Okay. And so it looks like that, and I'm just going to do a swipe on here because I don't know, can I carry that colour off? How will I know without trying? Okay, I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put it on. Oh, it smells delicious. It smells like Parma violets. What do we think? I don't know, maybe with the lip liner or something. It's not, I mean, I do have like a brown lipstick, but it's like really brownie ready rather than brownie. What do you think? You tell me. Is this the kind of colour for me? Do I need a liner? I feel like I do need a lip liner though. And some exfoliation. Sorry guys. But yeah, it covers the actual lipstick is... Eek! The actual lipstick is really nice. It covers the lips really well and I like the formula. Last item is this from Christian Breton, Paris. Eyeliner pencil. You can see that or not really. And this is a black eyeliner. So you can make quite a thin line. I can't, let me just put my arm there, that's better. Ignore all my chins. Gets blacker the more you layer it. Yeah, it looks like a nice eyeliner. Just create intense and dramatic looks. And according to this, we've got what, £73 worth of product for a £25 box. If I've added up that correctly, if I haven't, it'll be on screen. You know how it is. Which is almost, what is that, 3 times? I forgot what I said, 70 something, didn't I? So it's like 3 times the box value. Oh, and there's no P&P with this box either, so it's all in for your £25, which is really good. I'm not sure how that Too Faced stuff would work for me, to be honest, because it's not really the right colour. I mean, maybe I could use it as a setting powder type thing, but I might just see if my mum wants it, to be honest, because although it's got the right features, it just looks, I mean, I'm just looking at my hand and my hand just looks pale and ashy in that little patch. The lipstick feels delightful, but I'm not 100% on the colour. This is where I get a bit iffy about the higher price box, because some of the things are lovely, but if they don't work for you, then is that £25 you spent on things that you didn't need? Like, I can never have too many brushes. That's £9 well spent. And I'm really looking forward to trying the Vichy cream. So that's, you know, another £15. So basically I've got the cost of the box there, and the other stuff, it doesn't really matter. But I might not have necessarily gone out and bought another brush right at this moment, and I wouldn't have gone and bought this lip colour, and I wouldn't have bought that colour foundation, and I probably wouldn't have gone and bought another eye pencil. I feel like there's a load of really great brands in this box, really great brands, and that's really impressive and really great and cool. Don't know if it's my favourite. Like, I don't know if right now I'm desperate to get next month's box. But tell me what you think. Do you think that I should go ahead and get next month's box, or do you think that I've given it a chance? I wonder what would be even better about the £35 box. More high brand items, more value items, I don't know. What do you think? Would you get the £35 box and head straight in at that top price? Let me know all your thoughts down below. At the moment, I'm a mixed bag. But then again, if I had that foundation and it had been perfect colour for me, I'd be way, way more excited. That is the chance you take when you go in with foundation products. And if I'd had a lipstick that was more my favourite kind of colour, I would also be more excited. So, like, reds, pinks, whatever. But then with beauty box, you never know what you're going to get. And that is the chance we all take, isn't it? So I'm not saying this is a bad box at all. I think this is a good box. I think for someone else this would be a perfect box. For me, it's a good box, and I think the value is awesome. I'm very excited to have some of the brands in here. It's just not my perfect box at this time, but maybe next month's will be. So thank you very much, Sophie's Beauty, and I look forward to seeing what you bring out next time, and other people I'm sure will be wowed by them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was enjoyable and helpful to find out about this brand new beauty box. And until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys.